In this question, we have a bunch of statements and they ask you which one there is work done on an object. Wow, gotta think of work done. What does work done mean? Work done can mean force times distance. The object moved because of that force, or you could say a change in energy. It's also the same thing, okay? So let's go through one by one to see which one is considered work done. A. Object slides with a constant velocity along a horizontal frictionless surface in a vacuum. Wow, that is very specific. So you imagine there's an object just sliding along with constant velocity. Constant velocity means no acceleration. No acceleration means no force. No force means no work done. Because you need force times distance, but there's no force, so no work done. So because it is a constant velocity, this is not work done. Next one, person holds the object at arm's length at a fixed height above ground. So if you have an object, it's held up there at a certain height. Is there any change in energy? Any work done? I know it feels tiring if you hold something like that, but no, there is no change in gravitational potential energy. So no, there's no work done. C. A person pushed the object up a frictionless ramp. Is there any forces involved in this one? Let's draw a ramp. If you have a box and you're pushing it up, well, the object will want to go down thanks to the weight. So in fact, you have a component of weight this way, which means you have to oppose that weight and push it up. Work done. Oh, so you do need to do work when you're pushing up. Or you could think of it this way, that you are moving an object from a low to a higher height and there is a change in gravitational potential energy also. So with all this evidence together, it's probably work done in C. But let's check D. The stationary object floats partially submerged in water. So you have a cube maybe, and there's water at the bottom half, and it's floating. But it's not moving, it's just there. Well, this one is kind of sketchy. Work done is not exactly clear by who, by what, but now I wouldn't call this work done because the object's not moving anywhere. It's just there. But C, yes, you do move a certain distance because force times distance, work done times S. Okay, so the best answer will be C for this question. That is all for this one. I will see you in the next question.